Today we're looking at a certified 2017 Honda CRV EX. It's got 18,000 miles on it. It's lunar silver metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, only one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. We've got the turn signals in the side mirrors. It is equipped with a sunroof. All right, it's got the nice chrome trim going all the way around the windows. The driver's side's in great shape. It is equipped with backup camera. Going down the passenger side, everything's really good here. Got the turn signals here in the side mirror on the passenger side as well. All right, exterior of the CRV is in great shape. All right, it's a 2017 certified, 18,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the gray and black door panels, nice wood grain trim, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Right here you got your lane departure warning, collision alert. Okay, let me step to the side over here and turn this light on real quick. Get a little bit more light. All right, let's see. Got your lane departure, okay, and your collision. Gray cloth seating, power driver seat. Driver seat cloth's in great shape. There's your sunroof there. Okay, you got the center console here. Got the little removable tray. Slides back and forth. Got two power or a USB port, power outlet, and let's see, no, your auxiliary's not there. We got two USB ports and a power outlet in there. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. All right, does come with two keyless key fobs with remote start. All right, got another convenient power outlet here. It is an automatic. Got your heated seats. Dual climate controls, push button start. Then you're going to have your radio display here with the backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. You also have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got exactly 18,795 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and check out your radio display here. All right, there's all your apps. This is at the home page here. You got audio, info, Honda Link, smartphone connection, phone, and settings. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, it's got the guidelines on there as well. All right, and then once again, we'll roll back through this. Got your heated seats, dual climate controls, AC's blowing nice and cold, no issues there. All right, it is an automatic, and it's also got the remote start, keyless entry key fobs. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape, no staining. Back seat cloth is in really good shape back here as well. Got the center console comes down with the armrest there with the cup holders. Got two USB ports right here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Go ahead and take a look in the back. Got the nice plastic protector mat back here. Let's see, we lift this up. Got your spare tire there. All right. Got the sunshade here. You simply pull that out. Can hook in. Going shopping, it can cover your bags back there, your groceries. All right. Ton of room in the back of this CRV. All right. Got a handle here and here. Simply pull those handles. The seats will fall down. I'll give you. Go ahead and pull it. Seats go right down. All right, and you can really see how much it opens it up back there. All right. Seats are very light but durable. Simply push them back until they lock. Same thing on this side. Simply lift it up, locks back into place. All right, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 18-inch alloys. Tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2017 Honda CRV EX, 18,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, just one owner. This thing's in phenomenal shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and Thanks for watching the video.